the first thing is, of course, all of you know AI is everywhere. We have an AI avatar joining us today. AI is everywhere. And what's important to think about, though, is that while AI is everywhere, as marketers, we want to make sure that we're using AI in a smart and responsible way. So we know that AI can improve productivity. One of the top uses of AI right now for marketers is content creation. But I think we also, as marketers who tend to be innovators in this space, we have a responsibility to use these tools responsibly and to show others how to use them responsibly. I asked for a realistic photo that shows AI is everywhere, and this is what I got. I don't even know that animal in that computer screen. I don't think that's even an animal that exists, unless someone else knows more about animals and can prove me wrong. But you see, it says it's like some weird animal. It's not even real. AI is everywhere, but at the same time, it still isn't perfect, right?